Watch the changeable situation of a business to know the general trend of the era. Introduce talent of our company to create a great achievement. TEU explores with the technological perspective and build the future with innovation. Serve the world with excellent quality. TEU is marching forward successfully in the forklift industry.
Located in Hefei and longing for the world, TEU, through years' efforts, has become a leader for China's forklift industry and is dedicated to R&D, manufacturing and sales of forklifts. We provide a reliable product for clients and always keep up with international forklift technology. Quality leads to success, and we always remember our mission of bringing the TEU brand to the world and becoming a trustworthy partner of global clients. Outstanding TEU team strives for excellence with full enthusiasm. In the application fields of technological development, system design and new technology, we constantly strengthen the independent R&D ability and own multiple technological patents. Cushion tires forklift, EFFO series diesel forklift, and AC driving energy-saving electric forklift of the TEU brand have been awarded as high-tech products of Anhui province. TEU possesses the leading vehicle assembly lines, painting, shot blasting lines, frame welding lines, and manufacturing and inspection equipment. Also has the standard testing ground that is first class in the industry. We develop by advanced technology, and there is strict quality control in each step during manufacturing, and each forklift shall pass the overall quality inspection. Keeping improving is a kind of quality and attitude. Professional concentration is a kind of spirit and responsibility. Concern each detail and create high-quality products for the world. TEU main products include a whole series of internal combustion counterbalanced forklift, electric counterbalanced forklift, electric reach forklift, front double drive three-wheel forklift, and other special industrial vehicles. TEU company has passed ISO 9001 certification, and all its products have got CE certificates and match international safety standards. We provide clients with not only high quality and high performance forklifts, but worldwide worry-free service. TEU has built a sound domestic and overseas marketing network with sales agents covering all provinces and cities in China and main countries abroad. Our products sell well in China and nearly 100 overseas countries and regions. Besides, we have established long-term cooperation with numerous domestic premium brands. Surpass clients' expectation and promote professional value. Implement a 360-degree integration service and detail the workflow with profession and concentration. Because of a dream, we gather together here. Because of pursuit, we jointly struggle forward. We promote the management precision with a culture depth. Become a first-class forklift enterprise. in the industry. Anhui TEU Forklift realizes dream with the technology.